Okay, so I've seen this question a couple times now, and it's always branded as one of the hardest questions on the SAT, just like it says up here. But I want to kind of walk through this and show you guys why it's actually not very hard. We should be able to do this. All right, so if 3x minus y equals 12, what is the value of 8 to the power of x over 2 to the power of y? All right, very first thing to look at here. They're giving me this for a reason. Okay, so somehow or another, I'm probably going to have to get back to this equation when I'm trying to solve for the value of this over here. Okay, and just with some basic rules here, we can get this problem here to look something like this. So let's take a look. We got 8 to the power of x over 2 to the power of y. All right, can't really do anything at this point. I don't love that there's an 8 on the top and a 2 on the bottom, and my powers are different. Can't really do much with that, but I do know that 8 could also be written as 2 to the power of 3. And then I could keep this on the bottom, 2 to the power of y. Okay, now from here, what happens when I have a power to a power? Multiply them, right? So let's go ahead and multiply those. So I've got 2 to the power of 3x over 2 to the power of y. Now this looks a whole lot better here. Okay, I got a 2 to a with a power on the top. I have a 2 with a power on the bottom. If I'm dividing and I've got the same term here and here, I can subtract my powers, right? 3x and y. So I can rewrite this one more time as 2 to the power of 3x minus y. Now, should recognize at this point, this is exactly what we were given up top. I already know the value of that. It's 12. So let's go ahead and just replace it here, and we'll say it's 2 to the power of 12. A would be my answer. And there you go. Hardest SAT math question. Not that hard. We can do it.